also known as burping, is the release of gas through the mouth. It usually is accompanied by a sound and sometimes a smell. But what causes us to burp? Typically, it's caused by swallowing air while eating or drinking. The sound is caused by the vibration of the upper esophageal sphincter when the gases passes through it. The loudest burp ever recorded by Guinness World Record was 107 decibels, set by Paul Hahn in 2008. It was louder than a jackhammer.